I already sprayed the pan with coconut oil. On a nice layer of broccoli rabe. We love broccoli rabe. Tonight I was talking with a cook about how she cooks it. And I told her what I do. She goes, wow, that sounds good. Good layer. Alright. Always use a spoon to get your frozen chopped broccoli rabe out. Reason why is you touch it, it sticks to your hand big time. See how it sticks to the spoon? Look how it's stuck to my finger. That is exactly why you use the spoon. Alright, we gotta egg it up. So quick pause. Cut up my shrimps, got my extra large spatula. Normally I do this with my hands, but tonight we figured we'd do it a little easier. We want to make sure that all the broccoli rabe is covered in egg. Alright, we're going to sprinkle our shrimps. Yes, I have to say, in Forrest Gump, this recipe was never included. I'm only going to use half of the ham that I have. Tomorrow I think we're going to do something a little different. Make sure that one's popped, that one's popped. This is what you call interior decorating. Put that one there. I have a little, I don't know what that is. Quick wash of hands. Now we're going to do a little ham. Actually, we should do the Parmesan. No, we'll do the ham first. Tomorrow night we're doing something different. The one chef I was talking to tonight, can't mention the name because it's a big time seafood restaurant globally. She's like, wow, when do you do that? I was like, yeah, like 2 o'clock in the morning. Right before I go to bed, this is what I do. All right. Don't want to waste that one. It's a shrimp. It's not kosher anymore. Oops. Now we gotta clean that. Now it's time for Parmesan Romano. Oops, some cheese at the table. That looks good. It's ready to rock and roll. Get the lid. Next time you see this, it'll be either in a burrito or a chef challenge. What's a chef challenge? Oh, here, wait. I gotta advertise the type of pan I'm using. This is like the impossible pan to do a flip of a frittata. And so far, on YouTube or on Google or any video, I'm the only person that's ever done it. even the greats, even the big timers, even the people all that love Hollywood. I'm the only one that has ever done the chef challenge, flipping a frittata in that pan. Cool, right? Love you.